SIS module. The Student Information System is the heart of the HEMS student portal. It empowers institutions with a centralized, intelligent data system that connects every part of academic life. Start by creating a new program. Define its structure, duration, and objectives to build the foundation for your academic offerings. Easily update program information and manage start or end dates. Within each program, create individual courses. Customize course details to align with specific learning paths and student goals. Standalone courses can also be created to support single course enrollments outside a full program. Add instructors and assign them to courses and classrooms. Each instructor profile connects seamlessly with scheduling and student progress tracking. Set up classrooms to organize where your learning takes place, physical or virtual, all within the same interface. Group students into cohorts for better management and reporting, ensuring clarity across semesters and class groups. Finally, create lessons to power day-to-day operations. Record attendance, manage the campus operational calendar, and publish class times so students can view their schedules on mobile. With HEMSP SIS, managing education becomes simple, connected, and powerful. Everything your institution needs, all in one place.